Okay, here we go. Can you see me? Boom! Ooh, it's been a while. Okay, it's been a while. Okay, anyways, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abby and I am a brand designer, brand strategist. I'm a creative. I am a mother. I am a boss mom. I am a type A personality. What else do you want to know? And I am not new to YouTube. You can actually follow me on my other channels. I have a DIY channel, I have a mommy channel, and I've been doing it for 7 years. Today is the day where I transition and I build Boss Abby, Business Abby. Because of COVID-19, I was motivated, inspired, and excited to do things that I wish I had time to do. And now that I was blessed with this time to really recollect myself and restart and refresh, I am starting over another YouTube channel, but this one is the Boss Abby page, the Pixel Parlor page, and I want to talk to you about creativity. I want to bring you along with me on my behind the scenes photo shoots. I want to show you my tips and tricks when designing logos. I want to do unboxings for you of my favorite camera gear. I want to do all of that. So I'm really excited to start this journey today. I was born and raised in Alaska from Ketchikan, and then I moved and transitioned to Juneau while I was in high school. You know, I'm a small town girl with big dreams, and 31 years later, here I am living out my best life. I'm founder and creative director of my business, which is Pixel Parlor, and it's located in downtown Kent, Washington, and we do branding, and my studio is just a hub of inspiration. I know I get this feeling every single time I go in there, and I want to show you all of that on this channel. Go ahead and click subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Hit the notification button because it will notify you on my very next video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!